In today's video, you're gonna see how we make this. We are going to be building 3 more of these stools, and we're gonna fix this one up. So first things first, we need to clear coat the tops because this is being clear coated and these are being painted. So the clear coat that we're gonna use is this Trem Clad Clear. I guess we could use any clear coat, it's just this really seals the wood. So I had to take the top off of the first stool that I made so that I could clear coat that one as well. So I'm doing the bottoms first just because when I do flip them over, if I do use these pyramids or if they sit on the bench that I'm using here, it might end up with a little blotch of the clear coat where it sticks to the table, and that's fine because you'll hardly ever have the stool upside down. But I'm gonna let this dry for an hour or two and then flip them over and then do the other side. I'm also getting a quick coat on the sides and end grain as well, but I'm also making sure not to get any drips on the face side because that would kind of suck. So I've clear coated 2 of the bar stool chair tops. So I got the clear coat done on the first 2 pieces. The other 2 are drying off camera. And while we wait for all 4 of them to dry for the next few hours, we're gonna work on the framework. So we got the saw set up here and I cut up all the leg pieces, measured it here, used the stopper here, and then I've got them in piles here for 3 more stools. I screwed up every single one of the legs. Instead of a compound miter on it, I just did a single miter. So I'm gonna have to go make all of these a little bit shorter. I'll be right back. Okay, that only took about 10 minutes and I got them all fixed up there now. They stand up like this, on an angle this way, and it's how all 4 legs go from a rectangle there to a bigger rectangle. I don't go into any detail here on what compound angles are, but if you would like me to make a video on that, let me know. Here I'm pre-drilling where I'm going to put all the screws. Later on, I use spackling to fill those holes. These holes are drilled where the top part of the frame is, as well as where the footrest supports are. First off, we're starting with the small 3-inch pieces that go on the top, and those are getting screwed in where we just pre-drilled the holes. So we've got the 2 sides now. This is the other side piece right here. Basically, we're going to slide it up until both these angles line up with these. So everything I've cut is at 5 degrees. Here I'm putting the 2 sides together with the front and back, top and bottom pieces. Okay, so here I'm using the 9.5-inch piece for the top of the wider side. And once I've got both of those pieces in, I do the other side, finishing the leg assembly. Oh yeah, and we just painted the legs white. They match this bar really nicely. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are new, please subscribe. If you're already subscribed, please share this video with a friend. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big old thumbs up. Also, Patreon supporters get the videos 2 whole days early. So if you support me on Patreon, go check that out. See you guys all next time. Peace out. They all kind of look a little bit like steaks, don't they? Picture this next to like a rare steak stock image. Yeah, look at that.